lake again, me and Steve out here on Thanksgiving morning. We're gonna give it a few hours, see what we can catch. Got the place to ourselves. There might be a couple duck hunters out here. I see some decoys around the corner there. Try and stay out of their way and see if we can catch some fish. Stay tuned. 2 rods set up. Got the itty bitty slab hunter here and a 1/8 ounce jig head, ACC jig head, and that's in the electric chicken color. 8-foot ACC Crappie Stix, 6-pound fluoro, and a 2000 size KastKing reel. And I got the ACC 7-foot with the Shank bait on there and Outshined from ACC. Try that one out too. Not a big guy, but it's the species we're after. Decent one there to start the day. Well, we had to reroute here, come up to a spot we don't really fish, give it a shot because there's duck hunters in pretty much every bay and point out of the wind that we want to fish, so see what happens. That doesn't look too bad.
I think it's a bass.
Yep.
I think so.
Might just be a big crappie.
Could be.
Saw something decent swimming around down there. Kind of moving like a bass.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty nice though.
Bass.
It's a striper.
Is it?
Yeah, dude, getting that.
Fucking use your stripers, man.
This one might be it.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Nah, he's not bigger than your last one.
No?
No.
Thought he
About
was.
the same. You and the stripes. He won't make 20, but
Still want to see what he is.
probably 18, I had to guess.
Looks about the same, actually.
Nice stripey. Whoa. Just launched a rod. Like the striper whisperer in this lake. Yeah. He's shitting shad everywhere.
He ain't 20, I know he's
Nah,
not.
I saw him on there.
Yeah.
It's 18.
Ah. Cool fish though.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice to start seeing a couple of them coming out.
Yeah.
The few years will be a tank. Sweet deal. Is it the same thing you're fishing? Just caught that striper on. Same thing that's on here. A little itty bit slab hunter and electric chicken.
Can't stay away from them stripers, apparently.
Hey, man.
Still in the water, too.
Hey, look at that.
Nice crappie.
Better one. Not a bad one out in the middle of nowhere. What you doing with, man? Oh, that's a good one, Steve. Let's rip. Oh, no. I hit the trolling motor and it came right off. That was a big fish, whoever it was. A bass, I don't know. I think that was, but weird.
Because you ripped the lips off that thing, dude. You've been too much striper fishing lately.
Yeah, I've been doing all the striper fishing. You've been catching all the striper. Ooh, that's a nice little one.
Don't even start. You caught some huge stripers last week.
Well, you've been catching the lake. There's something in there. Might be bass. Oh no, jumbo crappie. Oh! Jumbo. There's what we're in here for. Big old fat slab like that. Hallelujah, we made it happen. It's a Thanksgiving Day turkey. Nice big 2-pounder right there. Might actually just get a quick. Nah, I don't need to weigh him. He's 2, maybe 2 1/4. Tank. Big old belly. Get you back. That's a good one. It's been caught before.
Been caught?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, that sounds very rough. Nice size fish there. Healthy size guy there. Decent size fish. Bunch of them in there, just like that. Look how fast he shot out.